In this lesson we are going to see how to kill the particles based on attributes. So here in the scene I have a sphere which will be the emitter, and I have a box, and I have a plane. I extruded the plane to add a thickness instead of going to the collider attributes and converting that to a shell. So I think this works better. So let's select the emitter and let's go to Bifrost Fluids and let's click on liquid. And let's convert the box and the ground to collider too. Let's go to Bifrost Fluids and collider. And then I'm going to Bifrost emitter and I'm going to check on the continuous emission. And I want to push the particles to on X. So instead of going and creating a motion field, we can do that from the emitter attribute there. So if I click on that, as you see, the additional velocity set to 1. So the particles will be pushed on X. And let's set that to 4 to make it stronger. So let's hit play. As you see, the particle going to the right. And another thing I'm going to do, I'm going to select the Bifrost liquid and then the Bifrost properties, and let's set the master voxel size to 0.2 and let's hit play. As you see, the particles going to the right. And let's add a kill field there. So let's select the Bifrost liquid and then I'm going to Bifrost fluid and then I'm going to add a kill field. Let's enable the boundary. It's enabled. Let's scale that. I'm going to create two boundaries, two kill fields, because I want to show you something. So let's set that there. Okay, I don't want the particles there. So now if we hit play, as you see, the particles inside the boundary are killed. So we need to invert that. So the particles now killed after going outside the box. So now let's select the liquid properties and let's scroll down to the optional channels, and I want to enable the edge enable. So now we have the edge attribute. So let's go again to the liquid, and in the liquid shape one I'm going to enable the numeric here. So I'm going to change that to edge. So if you don't see the edge, just switch between the tabs there and rewind the simulation in order to see the edge. So we have the edge, we have the numbers. So let's hit play. So now I want to kill the particles when they reach, let's say, 0 or 1. So we can do that by selecting the Bifrost liquid again. I'm going to create another kill field. And this time I want to disable the boundary because I want to affect the entire scene. So I'm going to turn on the lifespan. So here I can choose the minimum number is 1. So I want to kill the particles when they reach 1 edge. So, but if I hit play, nothing gonna happen. So the reason is because we have two kill fields. The one we created, this is the box, and the second one, which will kill the particles based on age. So the first one preventing the second kill field to kill the particles inside it. So what we need to do, we select the kill field one, and here you'll notice we have the option called protect inside. So this will prevent the second field from killing the particles inside the first field. So I'm going to turn that off. So now if I hit play and let's zoom in, as you see, we don't have any particles with age 1. So they are killed immediately. So that's it for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.